Hey traders, I'm Jeremy Coleman, and I'm going to show you how to build option spreads using thinkorswim. Keep in mind I'm showing thinkorswim desktop, so things will look different on thinkorswim mobile or web. Now let's jump in. For today's example, we're going to look at a long call vertical spread. The first thing you're going to want to do is come up here to the Trade tab. We're going to go to the All Products sub-tab, and we got our symbol box right here. We're going to go ahead and enter the stock symbol we want to look at the options for. I'm going to go ahead and use Johnson & Johnson, J&J. You'll want to type in that symbol and press Enter on your keyboard. You'll see that pulls up a quote. You can see the stock's bid and ask price here, and down below we have our option chain. So the first thing to do when we're picking a spread is we're going to want to go select our expiration date. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and use the 19th of May. And if you notice right here to the left of that expiration date is a little arrow. You're going to go ahead and click on that to expand the options. Going to want to scroll down here so we can see the whole option chain. Now strike price is down here in the middle. We got our call options over here on the left hand side and your put options are over on the right. As part of a call vertical, we're going to be going ahead and buying one and selling the other. So we're going to want to start here by going to the option that we'd like to buy. I'm going to go ahead and select the 145 call. And what you're going to want to do here is right click on that price. We're going to go up here to buy, and you're actually going to go ahead and see a whole list of different options, strategies available to you here. For today's example, we're going to use vertical. So down here at the bottom of the page, you're going to see you got your vertical spread. You got one buy, one sell. We're doing the 19th of May of 23. Here's your expiration. Strike price 145, 150. Now, if we wanted to widen out this spread, we can actually click on the 150 call, and you're going to see a list of available strikes here. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to find the 155 and click on that. And now I've made this a $10 wide spread. You can see there's your debit cost, $8.18. That is a limit order. If we look down below that, you can actually see we are currently at the mid price. But if we want to move closer to the natural price, we can actually slide this little scale over here to the right-hand side. Now we're going to be closer to the market price, the natural. Now, if we want to change our price even more, put it lower, we can do that two different ways. You can double-click, and you can type in your price. See. Press Enter after you type in the price. Or you can use this minus and plus to use it a penny or a nickel at a time. If you do want to change your order to a market order, we can click there, can select market. And if we wanted to change the time of order, we can click on day and select good till cancel. After your order is ready, going to go down here and click on confirm and send. And we're going to be able to review this order before we send it out. So you'll see one more time, buy one, vertical J&J, 19 May 23, 145, 155 call, $6.93 limit order. If we're happy with that, we're going to go ahead and click on send and see if we get a fill. Now I'm going to show you a different way to create a custom width spread. We're still going to use a vertical as an example, a debit vertical. I'm going to go over here to the left-hand side. I'm going to close up this option chain. We'll use a different expiration for this example. I'm going to scroll up a little bit, find the 28th of April expiration. We're going to expand that. Now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to scroll down to the option price we want to buy. Go ahead and click on the ask at the 150 call, and that brings up a buy order down here at the bottom for one contract. See April 28th, 150 call. Now we need to add our second leg, so we're going to go find the option we want to sell. For that, I'm going to go ahead and minimize the order entry tools temporarily. And come down here to the 160 option, go over to the bid price, and now with one hand you're going to hold down the control key, and while holding control you're going to click on the bid of the 160 option, and what you'll see is that adds a second leg to our option trade, creating a vertical spread. Now this control click function actually works exactly the same on both a PC and a Mac computer. And we look over here to the right, we got our 150, 160, we're at a 705 debit, we got our same situation down here, mid and natural. Slide that over to the natural price, and go ahead and click on confirm and send, and then go ahead and click on send, see if we get a fill. And there you have it. That's how to build option spreads on thinkorswim. For more tutorials and free investor education, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or head over to Insights and Education on Schwab.com.